Hey guys, welcome back to Mia's Munchies with your host Chef Mia, and today we're going to be making an Asian fusion blend because my roommate calls me Haitian because I am in love with Asian culture and tradition. So I'm going to be making tilapia stir fry with some white rice. Okay, let's get started. So I have here a pound of tilapia. I most likely am not going to be using all of these. I'm going to chop them up into chunks. I also have the vegetable stir fry from Costco. I got my sofrito or epis. I have rice vinegar, soy sauce, a 5-spice Asian blend from Badia, some peppercorn, some Mediterranean sea salt, garlic, lemon, onion, ginger, scallions, canola oil, and jasmine rice, top quality. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what happens. Before you start, make sure you wash your hands, okay? It's always good to have clean hands. So what I'm going to do now is cube up my tilapia and then soak it in rice vinegar and lemon. And since it's already dried up and done up, so I don't have to do much to it, I'll also add my seasoning. So first what you're gonna do is we're gonna slice it down the middle, and then we're going to slice it, because it's a little big, down on both sides so we can have an equal cube part when I cut across. Okay? And then you're gonna cut about, say about an inch, half an inch, you know? Sorry, my knife is a little dull, so. The size of the fish you want is about a cube, so this is what it would look like. And I've already added the rice vinegar and a half a lemon. And I'm a fan of wine, so I put some pink Moscato in here. Don't ask me why, but this is my own personal twist. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of the sofrito epis right on here so you guys can see. And then the Asian blend, where I put a lot in there, but it's gonna be good. Okay, there you go. Mixing it up, this is what it ends up looking like. Now I have here a piece of the ginger where I'm gonna peel and mince that up. I have julienne 1/4 of the half onion that I have, and the other 1/4 I chopped it up for the rice, which I'm going to make right now. So to make sure that my rice is light and fluffy, I have to rinse out the starch. Right now I have measured out, let's see, under 2 cups of rice, almost 2 cups. I'm gonna add a little more later. And then I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm gonna add it to my pot. And you can use a strainer to drain it out after rinsing it out, like about 3 times. So I'm frying this with about 3 tablespoons of canola oil. And I'm letting it get to a nice light brown color. Not even letting it get any color because you do not want to have that in your white rice. Then you drop in your rice right before you add the water and let it fry a little bit in the pan. And then the amount of water you're going to put in the pan is about 3 cups. So every cup of water is 1/2 a cup. So if I put about 2 cups of rice in here, so I'm putting 3 cups of water. Right now the rice has soaked up most of the water and it's ready to be covered, or touffé in Creole. So for me, I add a little bit of butter. So then I'll cover it with some aluminum foil. And then we're not gonna touch it for about 15 minutes. Now let's get to the fun stuff. Okay, so we have the rice here on low heat while it's cooking. I have the fire for the wok here on a high heat. Now I have my canola oil. I'm gonna pour, let's say, about 3 tablespoons. Maybe a little more than that. Okay, so I'm gonna let that heat up a little bit before I drop in the garlic and the ginger mix I have minced up and chopped up right here. After that, you add your veggies. Yes, I do have chopsticks because I really do love the Asian culture. And then I'm probably going to add a little more. And then I'm going to add the fish and my onions and my seasoning, right? I just added the seasoning. It's looking beautiful. And the onions. It smells amazing. And I'm going to drop the tilapia in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. After being marinated in the rice vinegar, it's looking good. With all the other seasoning I said before in the earlier. Since my wok didn't have a covering, I had to switch it to another pot so I can cover and let the fish simmer because I do not want to tell you guys to cook raw fish. Another thing is, while you're cooking, to make sure to wash your dishes so that you don't have that much to do at the end. And another tip, if you have multiple veggies that you're chopping up that needs to go into one pot, you can just put them in one bowl and then have them mixed up so you don't have to have too many dishes to wash. Low-key, this ended up turning out not into stir fry, and it turned into something else that is even better. And look how it looks. It looks great. Just wait till we plate. So when you're done cooking the rice, this is what it ends up looking like. Look at that, beautiful. That's all, folks. Thank you for choosing Mia's Munchies with your host, Chef Mia. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, comment, let me know how you make your dish and how it came out, okay? You guys have a wonderful day.